Welcome back to what is really a part 2 of last week's video. So last week I did a stencil design that I did on a cushion out of this rattan adhesive film vinyl that I got from Kmart. It's actually not contact paper, it's a bit thicker than contact paper, it is like a vinyl, and I made a stencil out of that. But this week I'll be making decals for the kitchen window for these little pots I got for $1.50 from Kmart. They were reduced, and I'll be making little faux pot plants with this ivy garland. I think that was $5, and I'll also be covering some Kmart coasters. This is the design that I'm going to be using to put on the kitchen window, and the Cricut settings are the same as they were for the stencil last week. So I used a deep point blade, I used the Smart Vinyl adhesive setting, and I used more pressure rather than the default setting, and it worked really well. It peeled off really easily, and I was able to weed it nicely. And of course, this is one of the most fun parts of doing this. I love doing this. I love watching it being done too. With the actual decal, you're taking out the background and obviously leaving in the design, and that will go up to the window. I'm putting on the transfer tape here, and this will make it easier to pop it up on the glass. Just wiping it down first, and I'm putting it in front of the little cafe style bar bench that we did, and I'll put the link up for that. That turned out so well, and this is just a gimmicky little thing I'm doing really. It's just to decorate the area a bit. So I just I stick it up on the glass and I push it down just so it sticks. It's so that when I take off the transfer tape, the tape will come off, but the actual decal will stay in place. The next thing I did was to make a design for the other side of the window. So what I'm going to do is put a little coffee cup, and then I'm going to put some coffee beans next to it. I'll be placing this on the other side of the window, but down a bit lower, so that when I actually open the window, the first design I put up on the other side will be above it, and it won't clash, and it'll basically just look like one big design. You can see a hole in the window there, so I'll be putting the coffee bean decal over that. That happened because David was mowing and a big stone flicked up, and it yeah, went through the window. But yeah, this will cover it nicely. I got these coasters from Kmart as well. They're not craft coasters, these are actual coasters. They have a cork backing on them. So I got them from where the normal coasters and placemats are. There are 6 and they were $2.25. I think the craft ones are only $4 and they're $3.50. So what I'm going to do is cut out some of the vinyl. I'll use my Cricut machine to do it. I'm just cutting out circles with the rattan vinyl. So you can cut them out with scissors if you don't have a Cricut machine. It's easy enough to do. This just makes it really quick and easy. And again, I'm weeding the back off, and I'm using the circles, and I'll place them over the coasters just really easily. It's just so easy, and I love the look of this rattan vinyl. It's yeah, it's got a lovely look to it, and it looks real. Actually, it's got a nice effect. I ended up making 6 of these. I had to cut out another 2 pieces of vinyl, and I might use them on the coffee table inside, 4 of them, and the other 2 I'll use on the bar bench outside. These pots were $1.50. Well, I'm going to use the vinyl to make decals for these, so I'm going to make little flower designs that they're all different, but they will all sort of match and go with each other, so it will look like a set. We'll just, you know, give it a bit more decoration and make it look a bit more interesting. This was a bit hard to weed actually, this vinyl, because the decals are just outlines really, they're not the whole flower, if you know what I mean. So it was, yeah, a bit fiddly to weed and also a bit fiddly to transfer onto the pots, but in the end it worked out well and we got there. So these are the little decals I've just put on the pots. So they were plain, and now they've got the little decals. Actually, I just put this one on the back because that was actually the middle of this one, and I thought that actually looked cute. Looks cute too. But yeah, I might just leave it there, you're not going to see it. So what I'm going to do now is use this ivy garland, and I'm going to make little plants for each of the pots. So what I'll do is I'll divide this garland into 4 equal pieces, and then I will just pop them in here, and I might just masking tape them to the bottom so they don't fall out. Yeah, and it's just a cheap and easy way of making some little artificial decorative pot plants for around the house. My daughter actually did the same thing, but instead of cutting her garland in half, in 4 pieces, she cut it in half. So she made like a trailing sort of plant, which looks really pretty as well. So that's an idea too. But you know, this rattan vinyl is so cheap, and you got so much of it. You could do so much with it, even if you just used it to make stencils. Yeah, it's such good value for money, and I recommend that you try it. But join me next week and I'll be using contact paper to make decals, and also trying the clear contact paper to make transfer tape for vinyl transfers. So join me then. Thanks for watching. Bye.